What's up, YouTube? What a beautiful day it was for us in the stock market today, and I want to kick it off with loving on you guys and just simply saying major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. I'm going to jump right into some of the news we got today. Check this one out, guys. Thank you, Chris. Made $50,000 today with Tesla. Listen, man, this is what it's all about, guys. I love to see you guys take the information that we teach about every single day, go out and apply it, and then get real results in the market. Okay, this individual, I told you guys, we got people that's already hitting our 100K goal, and it's only February 1st, February 2nd. Okay, some people hit it in January, some people on pace to hit it this month. Guys, it's possible. Don't ever let nobody tell you otherwise. I try to show you receipts and real life examples every single day. I just want to say major salute. Also, for anybody who took part in our EA play on today, I just want to say major salute, guys. I'm going to try to, as often as I can, give you guys little things to help you not only make some money in the near term, but let you see the process of how to be surgical, how to get in, how to get out, where to enter, where to exit, so you guys can make money consistently. This was a setup here, guys. We got this play right to a T, and we exited right where we were supposed to, guys. Don't be greedy. Don't overstay your welcome. These things are very, very important on your journey. Now, with that being said, guys, today I want to talk about the fact that the market went crazy today. And a lot of the levels that we talked about in the Discord and that I talk about every day in these videos were hit and or surpassed today. And that's a major sign moving forward, okay? With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and bring up a few charts real quick, and I guess I'll kick it off with the SPY so that we can see what we're actually working with. Okay, now check this out, guys. With the SPY, okay, sitting at 414, it was up almost 1.5% on today. It went as high as 418. I told you guys in Discord this morning, look for this play to hit our target goal or go towards our target goal of 419. Okay, but I first wanted to see us clear 415. The fact that we did that, this makes perfect sense. This is called a pullback. We talk about healthy retracement. So it's now sitting here at 414. It closed around 416. I wouldn't be surprised to see it come to 410. We want to see these type of things happen. This is how you sustain a upward move, okay? You need this to happen. There's a difference between a pullback and a crash. You guys need to know the two. Matter of fact, I'll teach you the difference so that you know what is what and how to play them, but more importantly, how to profit off of it, all right? But with this being said, we got the SPY sitting at 414 today. This is phenomenal to be sitting at this level above 410, above 408, above 405 on the type of run we've been on. Check this out, guys. The SPY is up on the week $10 or almost 3%, okay? And on the month, it's up almost 10%, okay? And that's the kind of stuff you want to see when you are talking about a breakout, all right? It is clearing key levels, a lot of levels that I call to a T every single day. Guys, boom. We're going to have resistance at this level. When you see resistance broken, resistance then turns into support. This is what I want to talk to you guys about today. I'll do my best to explain where stocks will go to each and every day so it helps you guys learn how to make money consistently. Okay, then I'll teach you guys where support is at, so when you see a stock pull back or a stock sell off, you have an idea of where it's going to fall to. That's called support. Okay, but when either of those are broken, all right, for instance, to the upside, if resistance is broken through. So today we talked about, I told you guys SPY was going to go to 415 today, and after it went to 415, our next goal was 419. Call this stuff to a T. I call this stuff way in advance so you guys can take advantage of it, okay? But with that being said, resistance was 415. Then check this out. Once we cleared 415, we went to 417. 415 was which is once resistance became support. Okay, don't miss that message. Do not miss that message. What was once resistance turns into support. Same thing to the downside, guys. Things that are support Oftentimes, if it falls through, then it has a hard time getting back above that number. That becomes resistance. Okay, so just know we play it level to level for a reason. I also wanted to share this with you guys. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, 184 at the time of this closing. It closed down, or closed at 3%, but it was as high as 7% on the day, around at 196, 197. I try to tell you guys 195 is en route. Okay, and then because of how we had today, this is a perfect pullback. All right, look for that, expect that. You might even see a little bit more tomorrow, but it's just building up momentum. Now we can go and test 200. Follow the journey, guys. I call out these home runs. I always tell you guys, since 2020, these stocks will double. If you got this at 101, if this hits 202, that's a double up, guys. But if you do options with me, if you trade with me, we have been hit a double up in this several times over now. Okay, this is how people are making 50,000. I made $20,000 in 2 seconds today. Okay, off of Meta. All right, just little stuff like that. But really what I want to get to for today for you guys is this. You have Tesla running, you have the SPY running. It needs to pull back, so I need you to be on the lookout for that for tomorrow. We also have non-farms payroll coming out, and so we need to see how the market reacts to that. Does that give us a boost and keep the momentum going, or does that cause a sell-off of sorts? Be mindful, but more importantly, react to what you see. Okay, with that being said, listen to this, guys, and I'll end on this note. If you want to trade, okay, I would love for you guys to make money with me, but more importantly than that, I want you to know what you're doing. Okay, so before you join the money team and you join my weekly options and you join the plays we hit out the park, guys, you're just not going to hit them off the park by happenstance. You need to know what you're doing. So if you know you have some gaps or some voids in your game, don't hesitate to book a one-on-one coaching call. Don't hesitate to join the Discord. Learn what you need to learn first, then join all these other things we have for you to take your wealth to a whole nother level. But don't go in looking for a prayer and a hope, thinking, oh, I'm just gonna blindly do a call because Chris called it, and I know he does a do DD on our behalf. I know he looks out for our best interest. But guys, it still takes you to know what you're doing. And if you know you need to learn how to read charts, if you know you need to learn how to understand where do you enter your plays at, where do you exit your plays, how do you exit, how do you set a stop loss in options, which is different from setting a stop loss on stocks. How do you put a trailing stop loss on in your stocks so that you can continue to ride a play up if you feel like it has more room to run? All those things, guys, one-on-one coaching helps expedite the learning curve. It helps take the guesswork out. You can get the individualized support and help you need for your journey. I often say this, and I'll continue to say this: run your race. Don't look over here, don't look over there. Get what you need for you. Okay, this is what this comes down to. So yes, I do weekly options every week. Okay, Sunday and Monday we send those out. However, you still need to understand how to trade in order for them to work in your favor. Yep, you can probably blindly do them and they'll be okay, but the reward is greater if you understand outside of the details I'm giving. Guys, get in here, wait for a pullback, be patient, versus just buying blindly because you've been given a play. I hope that makes sense. Okay, get the support you need before you try to do all this other stuff. Understand how to trade, understand what a call is, understand what a put is, understand what a strike price is, understand what an expiration date is and what the significance of it, understand the options Greeks and how theta decay and IV crush can play a role in things. You want to understand this game in totality before you just run out here blind because you see money is being made. Yep, with me, that's what I specialize in, guys. That is my expertise. It is making money and helping others make an abundance of it as well. Okay, that's the blessing part. But you need to know what you're doing, because I'm here to teach you how to fish. It does me no good to just help you guys make money. I want you to know how to do this when I stop being on YouTube, when I stop coming to the Discord. I want you to know how to do this for yourself. I want to teach you how to fish. In order to do that, you need to learn a process, or you can learn or master my process that's proven, that's tried and true, that can get consistent results for everybody from a beginner to the most advanced trader that's out there. If they follow what I teach every day, it's guaranteed home runs out the park. It's guaranteed success. It's guaranteed base hits. It's guaranteed for you to change your life. However, you still got to put in the work. You still got to learn the steps. You still got to follow the process, okay? Hope that helps. Hope that makes sense. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. If you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.